calling all renegades, rebels, and future moguls. Welcome back to Kingdom Cash, your haven for transforming killer ideas into empires that practically print money. Today, we're throwing out the stale resume and diving headfirst into the uncharted territory of rare business ideas. These ventures have profit potential so astronomical your bank account will need a telescope. Did you know that 65% of the jobs Generation Z will perform don't even exist yet? That's right, the future of business is unwritten, and you're about to get a sneak peek. So strap in because we're about to journey through 10 gold mines of opportunity that could turn you into the next big thing in business. Let's start our countdown. Number 10, the drone delivery disruptor unmanned but profitable skies. Forget the snail-paced mailman, the future of delivery is taking flight. As a drone delivery specialist, you'll be at the forefront of a booming industry, revolutionizing the way goods reach consumers. You'll work with businesses to design efficient drone delivery routes, ensuring fast, secure transportation of packages. This niche requires knowledge of drone regulations, logistics planning, and a keen eye for detail. Imagine the satisfaction of optimizing a system that gets products into customers' hands in record time. Estimated profit potential high, with the drone delivery market expected to reach $40 billion by 2026. Number 9. The 3D Printing Alchemist. From pixels to profitable products, calling all tech-savvy creatives. As a 3D printing design and customization specialist, you'll be the Michelangelo of the digital age, transforming 3D models into tangible products. Think personalized phone cases, figurines based on client ideas, or even architectural models for construction projects. This in-demand field requires mastering 3D modeling software and understanding the intricacies of 3D printing technology. The possibilities are endless, and the satisfaction of seeing your creations come to life is priceless. Estimated profit potential, moderate to high, depending on your niche and clientele. Number 8. The Metaverse Architect, building virtual worlds, building your empire. The lines between reality and the virtual are blurring, and you can be the Picasso of the digital canvas. As a metaverse architect, you'll design and develop immersive 3D environments within the metaverse. Imagine crafting virtual stores for businesses, interactive art galleries, or even stunning virtual landscapes for events. This cutting-edge field requires knowledge of game engines, 3D design software, and an understanding of the evolving metaverse landscape. Be a part of shaping the future of virtual interaction and build a thriving business in the process. Estimated profit potential high, with the metaverse market projected to reach $800 billion by 2030. The AI Whisperer, building bots that boost business. The future of customer service is intelligent, and you can be the one building the brains behind it. As an AI-driven chatbot developer, you'll design and create chatbots that enhance customer engagement and streamline communication for businesses. This in-demand field requires programming skills with a focus on artificial intelligence and natural language processing. Imagine crafting chatbots that answer customer queries, handle transactions, and personalize the online shopping experience. The satisfaction of seeing your creations revolutionize customer service is a reward in itself. The estimated profit potential is high, with the global chatbot market expected to reach $14.48 billion by 2026. The champion of calm, the digital detox coach. In our hyper-connected world, digital well-being is more important than ever. Enter the digital detox coach. You'll be the lighthouse in the digital storm, guiding individuals and families towards a healthier relationship with technology. Think workshops on setting boundaries, creating screen-free zones, and fostering mindful tech habits. This booming market offers the chance to empower others and create a more balanced world, one detox session at a time. The estimated profit potential is moderate, with strong potential for growth as digital wellness becomes a mainstream concern. The click-worthy closet curator, the virtual stylist, calling all fashionistas with a business mind. Virtual stylist and personal shopper is your chance to become a digital fashion mogul. From the comfort of your home office, you'll curate personalized shopping lists based on your client's unique style. Think of yourself as a fairy godmother with a killer eye for trends, transforming wardrobes and boosting confidence with every click. This niche market thrives on convenience and expertise. Imagine the satisfaction of helping clients discover their personal style and build a wardrobe they love, all from the comfort of your own home. The estimated profit potential is moderate to high, depending on your clientele and the services you offer. The mastermind behind the maze, the online escape room architect. Got a knack for puzzles and a love for a good challenge? Then Online Escape Room Designer is your calling. You'll be the mastermind behind heart-pounding online escape room experiences. Design mind-bending puzzles, craft immersive storylines, and utilize online collaboration tools to create unforgettable virtual challenges. Imagine crafting team-building exercises for companies, or providing thrilling entertainment for individuals and groups. The possibilities are mind-blowing. This niche market caters to the growing trend of online entertainment and team-building activities. Estimated profit potential, moderate to high, with the global escape room market expected to reach $3.4 billion by 2026. The voice of the furry friends, the online pet psychic. Now this one might raise some eyebrows, but hear me out. As an online pet psychic, you'll bridge the communication gap between humans and their furry, or feathery, or scaly companions. Using your intuition and video calls, you'll offer insights into your client's pet's behavior and well-being. This unique niche requires a special skill set and the ability to build trust with clients online. But the rewards of helping animals and their humans can be truly heartwarming. While the scientific validity of pet communication is debated, the market for alternative pet care solutions is growing. This niche offers the potential to build a loyal following and tap into a passionate pet owner demographic. Estimated profit potential, moderate with the potential for high margins due to the unique service. The fitness guru of the metaverse, the virtual reality fitness trainer. Forget the gym. The future of fitness is virtual, and you can be the captain at the helm. As a VR fitness trainer, you'll lead immersive and interactive workouts using VR technology. Imagine sculpting bodies and boosting spirits with cutting-edge exercise programs in a virtual world. It's the ultimate blend of innovation and sweat. This niche market caters to the growing trend of VR fitness and the desire for convenient, engaging workout experiences. Estimated profit potential high, with the VR fitness market projected to reach $62.1 billion by 2027. Virtual reality voyage architect crafting captivating journeys. Imagine crafting mind-blowing journeys through the pyramids of Egypt, the Great Barrier Reef, or even the surface of Mars, all from the comfort of your living room. VR Tour Guide is your chance to become a digital Da Vinci, weaving stories and crafting immersive experiences in virtual reality. Think educational tours, historical reenactments, or even space exploration adventures. The possibilities are as endless as your imagination. This niche market capitalizes on the growing popularity of VR experiences and the desire for immersive travel and education. Estimated profit potential high, with the potential to partner with educational institutions, tourism companies, and VR content creators. Thanks for tuning in to Kingdom Cash, where we turn ideas into income. Remember, as you build your online empires, be kind, be humble, and be generous. The world needs more of that. If you found value in today's video, don't forget to smash that like button and subscribe so you never miss out on our latest tips and tricks for building your empire. Hit the bell icon to get notified whenever we drop more game-changing business ideas. And hey, if you're serious about taking your side hustle to the next level, check out our exclusive resources and courses down there too. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time on Kingdom Cash.